So we got some buses that have some nice 0-watt or the big ass battery cable. It's really expensive, so we're gonna see if we can try to get some of this cable out for the K100, because we're running out of money, but we need to have some fun too, not just work all the time. So I don't know, let's see whether it's worth it or not. Here we go. We got some buses at V&R, and they've got this really nice heavy cable. So I want that for battery cable because it's been inside its entire life and doesn't ever see any abuse. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to get it. Oh, gold! Got a 2x4. Whoa! Oh, somebody turned this one into a motorhome already, or started to, and then really lost motivation. Yeah. let's not even pull out the seats before we start putting cabinets in there, and then just give up.
Can you access any of it from here?
Yeah. So there's AC lines. And here's probably tubes. There's a lot of cobwebs in here. And my shit. So if I cut these tubes, I'm sure that there's cabling in there. But it would be nice to...
Big sawzall to open these ones and then...
Yeah, so I've got the grinder. I didn't bring a sawzall, but if that goes over top of the tires and then drops down, possibly. Batteries are usually right here.
It'll do.
It'll do. No, I lost half of my tube. I just need the section from here to here. So if I cut the tube and I'm able to pull on the cable, let me just run it loose inside the tube. We'll try that. Hydraulic. Yes. That feels like really expensive wire. It's connected to something on either end.
Oh.
That's really gross. Okay, so we're almost there. Yeah, so this is the cable.
Just cut it out there and...
Yeah, I cut it as long as I possibly can. Shit, that's a hydraulic line. Well, this has nice cables right beside the friggin' engine. So
There's nothing really.
So I gotta ask James if we can get into the other bus there. Needs to make it to the back of the bus. That's what I was after. It goes up in there somewhere, and I don't know where it goes. Yeah, I think this one I can do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Trying about buses now.
I gotta get my tools there.
We're not allowed to show the logo, right? It's all scribbled over, we're fine.
Whoa! I feel like somebody in Welland working after 8 at night, just stripping copper. Who knows what I'm talking about.
7 people will get that joke.
Do not use this video as an instruction manual on how to strip copper from tourist buses, please. Okay, so shit. They do have it zip tied along the way.
Yeah.
So I can't. They might be busted. The problem is, this is like, that's like $8. It's worth a little bit of effort to try. Let's see. Look at that. It's like gold. Take one of their excavators and just tie it to that end hose and just pull.
Yeah. Might even get it a little bit longer than we need.
I'm already going around the corner. There's no way. I can pull the other panel down. I think it's worth it. That is a lot of tension on that. With a ratchet strap, try and pull it. If we could do that, that would work.
There you go. Biggest slingshot we've ever read.
That is in there. It's gonna let go. Just don't drill through the.
So it must be exactly right when you do. Don't drill right here.
No. No, we shouldn't start a fire. Typical mechanics tools, pry bar and seals out. Remember which one you said it was?
I think it was the one in front of this one, yeah.
Yeah?
I think so. Or...
Right about here. I don't want to. Got a little test patch. Let's see how. Make sure we don't cut through the cable. This is just like in Speed.
Harry, there's enough C4 on this thing to put a hole in the world.
So yeah, there's the cable. So if I just stay on the inside here and don't cut into this frame, I should be all right. Oh, it's not foam all the way. Cable is underneath copper pipes. it.
Again?
Front and back, yeah. I don't want to fight through another layer of foam. Oh, you grabbed the last little bit, you son of a. Here, look at all the work I did. He says, here's this cable. No satisfaction. Want to do the next one? Yeah, I gotta get this one. That's how easy it is to break into this one.
So you got this down to a science?
I think so. Half hour. I think we can do it in about a half hour. Now, you guys might be thinking, Rich, why are you doing this? Just keep working in the shop. You're short on time. Just go buy some battery cable. But I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing the hard work so I can show you how quickly to pull copper wire out of an old bus legally so you can restore a K100 on and stay within budget. Very important. I'm doing this for you guys. 1/4-inch sockets do fit in drills. And this solenoid, these batteries are worth a lot more than these fuses are, but you know, I paid for these fuses. I just asked me in there. Those dang zip ties.
Yeah. Found it.
Yeah, I found it. I know where to look now. That's kind of important.
I'll let you pull it out this time.
Yeah, because I think if I pull it out through this way and then crawl back underneath the
Yeah,
cubby.
you can get back as far as you want.
Strong enough to pull it through from the bottom.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Just gotta go through the foam. That would have been sweet.
Yeah.
2 zip ties. Yeah. Break it. Okay, well, that's not bad. That took between 20-30 minutes for about 15-20 feet of cable. So that's about 150 bucks. 300 bucks an hour, not bad. One skill saw blade. That already cut the entire headache rack full of aluminum, so she was getting kind of tired anyway. But that'll keep us going on the K100. We'll throw it in tonight and start running some wiring. Here we go.